Welcome to the Humdard Teach channel. In this video you will learn the general science multiple choice questions MCQs of biology, chemistry, physics and atmospheric studies. With answers. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Pluto. C. Neptune. D. Uranus. Answer is Neptune. The SI unit of charge is _blank. A. Ampere. B. Coulomb. C. Ohm. D. Volt. Answer is Coulomb. The lifespan of red blood cells is _blank days. A. 60. B. 120. C. 180. D. 240. Answer is 120. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called blank. A. Motor. B. Generator. C. Moving coil meter. D. Battery. Answer is battery. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is _blank. A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Methane. D. Tetrafluoroethane. Answer is tetrafluoroethane. The most abundant element in the universe is _blank. A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Silicon. Answer is hydrogen. For more important MCQs, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.